To install Phantom Wallet and create a wallet, follow these steps. First, go to the Phantom Wallet website and click on the download link for your preferred browser. Either Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Brave browser. Once you have downloaded the Phantom Wallet extension, click on the file to install it in your browser. After installation, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet. You will be asked to create a password and confirm it. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password. Next, you will see your recovery phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down your recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. Do not share it with anyone. Now, your wallet is created and you can start using it to send, receive, and store Solana and other Solana-based cryptocurrencies. You can also add new accounts and change your wallet settings as needed. To add an account, click on the Add Account button, and then select the type of account you want to add. You can add a Solana account, or an account for a specific Solana-based token. When using Phantom Wallet, always make sure to keep your recovery phrase and password safe, and never share them with anyone. Also, be careful when sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. Double-check the recipient address and the amount before confirming the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily install Phantom Wallet and create a new wallet, and start using it to manage your Solana and other Solana-based cryptocurrencies.